today's gonna be short, sweet. I think I'm gonna break up the weeks, do 2 videos a week, one with just some kind of recipe or life hack, and one with workouts. It just seems easier to keep the videos short and still get everything that I want to share with you all out. Today I'm going to show you guys a life skill that saved my ass plenty of times, especially when I was a single mom and I was working. So this might sound like very simple, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it in case no one's ever taught you. You're going to need freezer bags. The main base for all of my marinades is always going to be white vinegar. It makes the meat really, really juicy and tender, and it also adds a bit of a tangy flavor to the meat without using a shitload of salt. So healthy. I also always add a little bit of olive oil, garlic, always in my base for my marinades. Black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, a little bit of salt, not too much, because the vinegar does add a little bit of that tang into the meat, so you don't really need too much salt. But if you are gonna use salt, I recommend Celtic salt or at least pink salt, not that iodized bullshit. Also onion, I forgot to mention onion, sorry. I'm gonna do dry ingredients first, which might not be the best way, but I don't want to like get chicken fingers on everything. So we're gonna do wet and dry ingredients and then chicken last. A little bit of salt. This is a marinade. When we actually grill or cook our food, I do add more seasonings. This is a fresh gallon, so hopefully it doesn't spill. Okay, there we go. You can use a lot of vinegar. You're gonna squeeze as much of the air out as you possibly can. Massage the chicken. Get those seasonings broken up. Now you're just gonna put this in your freezer. Every night before bed, you take it out, you put a pack in your fridge, and as it thaws, it'll marinate the meat. And it's kind of marinating while it's freezing too. Trust me, this is gonna save you so much time. You won't have to season any of your meats. Oh, I forgot to put onion, fuck. Oh well. You won't have to season any of your meats when you get home. All you have to do is throw your meat on the stove, on the grill, make your vegetable, make your rice, whatever. So that will save you a lot of time, and then you have your protein, you have your carb, and you have your vegetables. To some of you, this might be repetitive, but there are people out there who were never taught how to cook, how to marinate food, anything. So this is for you guys. And some people didn't know that you could add like your seasonings and stuff into the bag and freeze it, and it takes no time. Before you put your groceries away, when you go grocery shopping, get out your freezer bags, get out your seasonings, rip it open, stuff your meats in there, get your seasonings out, get everything out, and then freeze it all together. So I have 3 packs of chicken, that's 3 nights of meats. Actually 4, because I doubled this one. And then my husband did steaks. So we have 5 nights worth of meats marinated. So each weeknight dinner is gonna taste like barbecue. You know, like on the weekends when you have extra time to like marinate your meats and let them hang out all day. Now you're gonna get the same flavors on a weeknight. And it's so easy. So easy. You can mix up your marinades too. If I'm not using vinegar, I'm definitely using something acidic, whether it be orange juice, lemon juice, lime juice. Something acidic is going in that bag. I feel like it just penetrates the meats better and makes them extra tender. Just don't forget to thaw your meat. Hello, hello. I want to show you guys really quick how I prep my vegetables for the grill. So first, I season the potatoes, so there's already seasoning in the bowl. I coat it in olive oil, and then today I'm gonna use lemon pepper, and then I'm gonna put it in make a foil packet, and I have garlic and onion in the bottom. And my husband marinated the steaks. We took them out, put them in the fridge. So it marinated while it thawed. So it's gonna be divine. Delicioso. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. I'll also put the recipe below so that if you need to write it down, you can. I will see you guys on Thursday with some workout videos and a progress update. I'm gonna try on my dream jeans that I wanna fit back into, and we're gonna do a full body workout. Ciao, cacao.